Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can change the page orientation or design orientation on Canva to portray in 2026. So let us get started. So guys, as you can see, I'm on Canva and I converted this Instagram post here from a landscape to portray, and you can do that also vice versa. Let me show you how to do this. So in 2026 guys, you will need to use the resize tool here inside Canva. So navigate to your design. I will go with this landscape Instagram post here, salad party. What you want to do is click into resize in the top left, then choose custom size here and click into the current size, select it. Next, click into one of these metrics, width or height, and below it will enable these orientation options. Now it's barely visible because there are, as you can see, the color is white, the same as the background color. So you will need to hover your mouse over it to see which orientations are available, which are square, portrait, and landscape, which is the current one. So if you'd like to switch to portrait, select it. And as you can see, the dimensions will then be changed accordingly. Of course, you can always use your custom width and height here by entering the given value, choose the units here like pixels, inches, millimeters, and so on and so forth. Now I'm going to go with portrait and these dimensions here. What you want to do guys is make sure that the given dimensions are selected here, and once that's done, click into copy and resize. Wait for the resizing to be finished, and then Canva will ask you to open the design in its new dimensions here by clicking into it. And it would look, for example, like this. So let me do that. There you have it, guys. So that's how you do it. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.